Good morning, children. Today let us discuss some of the important story problems of your first chapter, that is rational numbers. Here a water pipe has an outside diameter of 3.5 centimeter and a wall of thickness of 25 upon 32 centimeter. What is the inner diameter of the pipe? You know the pipe is hollow over here, and the figure you are able to see in the figure, the outside diameter of the pipe is given as 3.5 centimeter and the thickness is given as 25 upon 32 centimeter. Now we are asked to find the diameter of the inner circle. So first you have to understand the concept. Outer diameter is given. So first let us find out the outside radius. So I will be getting what is the outside radius? 3.5 divided by 2. So this whole length is 3.5 divided by 2, and if I am going to subtract this thickness, I will be getting the inner radius. After I get the inner radius, I will multiply it by 2 to get the inner diameter. So let us proceed now. First let me find the outer radius. So first you write what is given. It is given that the outside diameter is 3.5 centimeter. Removing the decimal point, I am writing it as 35 divided by 10 centimeter. So next step, outside radius you find, which is equal to 35 divided by 20 centimeter. Why? Because we know radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Next, thickness is 25 divided by 32 centimeter. And we have one formula, that is outer radius is equal to inner radius plus thickness. Here we have to find the inner radius. So I will shift this thickness to the other side and subtract it from the outer radius. So you can write inner radius is equal to outer radius minus thickness. So what is outer radius? 35 upon 20 minus thickness is 25 upon 32. This 35 upon 20 I can reduce it and write it as 7 upon 4. So 7 upon 4 minus 25 upon 32. LCM of 4 and 32 is 32. So after simplifying I am getting 56 minus 25 upon 32, which is nothing but 31 upon 32. Now we have got the inner radius. So now we want the diameter. So diameter, when we multiply the radius by 2, we will get the diameter. So 31 upon 32 into 2 will be giving me 31 upon 16 centimeter, which is nothing but the inside diameter of the pipe. Hope you understood this sum clearly. Now moving on to the next sum. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangular piece of land measuring 12 1 by 2 meter and 5 1 by 5 meter. How much area of the land is left unused if 4 small square beds of side length 1 meter are made at the center? So you have to understand the question carefully. Here the rectangular land is given, whose length is 12 1 by 2 meter and its breadth is 5 1 by 5 meter. In the center of this rectangular land, you are having how many flower beds? 4 flower beds. Area of one flower bed first you have to find. Then we will be multiplying it by 4 to find the area of 4 flower beds. After that, we will be subtracting the area of land and area of flower bed. Area of flower bed is subtracted from area of land. We will be getting this unused area. Understood? Now let us proceed. First step. So what is the first step? First step, let us write what is given, that is the length of the rectangle and the breadth of the rectangle. So first you write solution, that is step 1. Write length of the rectangle, which is 12 1 by 2 meter and breadth of the rectangle is 5 1 by 5 meter. Now you find the perimeter of a rectangle, because in the question it is asked to find the perimeter and area. First you find the perimeter of a rectangle, whose formula is 2 into length plus breadth. Put the values of length and breadth. We will be getting the answer as 177 upon 5 meter. Now moving on to step 2, we will find the area of rectangle whose formula is length into breadth. So length is 25 upon 2 and breadth is 26 upon 5 square meter. On multiplying we are getting 65 square meter. Now third step will be finding the area of 4 square beds. Area of 1 square bed will be 1 square meter because the length is given as 1 meter. Area is the formula of area is side into side. So area of 1 flower bed will be equal to 1 square meter. So what will be the area of 4 flower beds? Area of 4 flower beds will be 4 square meter. Now how can we get this unused area? Unused area can be got by subtracting this area of 4 flower beds from area of rectangle. So area unused will be equal to area of rectangle minus area of 4 flower beds, which is equal to 65 minus 4, which is equal to 61 square meter. Now moving on to one more important sum. Shalini has to cut circles of diameter 1/4 centimeter from an aluminium strip of dimensions 8 3/4 centimeter by 1/4 centimeter. So this is the aluminium strip given over here. From this she wants to cut the circles from this rectangular strip. You have to find how many circles she can cut over here. From this figure you can observe the diameter of the circle will be the breadth of this rectangle, which is nothing but 1/4 centimeter. So first we can find the number of circles by dividing it by the length of the strip over here. So first you write diameter of one circle will be equal to the breadth of the rectangular strip, which is equal to 1/4 centimeter, which will be equal to 5/4 centimeter. Now the length of the strip will be 8 3/4, which is nothing but 35/4 centimeter. So the number of circles can be cut from this rectangular strip will be this 35/4 divided by this diameter, that is 5/4 centimeter, which will be equal to 7. Now you have got the diameter of the circle. So from this we can find the radius of the circle. So after finding the radius of the circle, we will find the area of this aluminium strip, that is this rectangle, then area of 7 circles. Then we will subtract both. After subtracting both, we will be getting the wastage of the aluminium strip. So first step is to calculate the number of circles we can cut from this rectangular strip. And second step is to calculate the area of this aluminium strip, that is the rectangle. And third step is to calculate the area of 7 circles. And fourth step will be area of rectangle minus area of 7 circles. So let us move on to step by step. So first step we have calculated the number of circles we can cut it from this aluminium strip, which is equal to 7. So second step will be equal to find the area of the strip, which is equal to length into breadth, and which comes out to be 175/4 square centimeter. And the next step will be finding the area of one circle. So area of one circle will be equal to 22/7 into 5/8. 5/4 is the radius of the diameter of the circle. Diameter divided by 2 will give me the radius of the circle. Now we will find the wastage area by finding the area of strip minus area of 7 circles. So area of strip is 175/4 minus area of 7 circle is 550/64. By taking LCM, we are getting the answer as 150/64, which is equal to 211/32 square centimeter. Here you have to understand the question. First step, you have to find the number of circles we can cut it from this aluminium strip. For that, we should understand the diameter of the circle is nothing but the breadth of this rectangle. So this length, and if you are going to divide it by this length, diameter, will be getting the number of circles. So we are getting 7 circles. First, then afterwards you find the area of the rectangle. Next you find the area of 7 circles. Subtract both. You will be getting the unused area over here. Hope you understood all the 3 important sums over here.